Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Janelle, and this week I'm going to show you guys how to clean your boots. So I'm going to do a cleaning with me video because I have all these boots that have been sitting on my shoe shelf and downstairs by the front door for probably about a month now that it's getting a little bit colder in Canada. And as you can see, they have some serious salt stains on the boot. And this is just from past seasons and I just never got around to cleaning them. So we are going to try some DIY hacks that I found online and see if it works to get all these boots clean. I have some with a little bit of mud on them. This one has some serious salt stains. These ones have glitter all stuck to the side. Like that, I just don't even know. I haven't even worn these for like 2 weeks now because there's just glitter everywhere. And funny enough, this glitter came from just having my shoe rubbing against like a holiday bag, like a gift bag in Adam's truck. So be careful with glitter bags because look at my shoe now. Like, what is this? The first one I'm going to try are these boots because these are my fake Uggs. They are not real Uggs. I think they're like emu or whatever they are. Yeah. No, just kidding. That's not even that. Kim? Something like that. Just fake Uggs, you know. And yes, I still wear them. They are super cozy when I have to go walk scotch very quickly at night or something like that. They're easy to throw on. They're warm. So, you know what? You do you. But I like my Uggs. To get rid of these salt stains, they say to put an equal amount of water and vinegar into a jar, and then you use a rag, and we're going to use that to lightly damp the shoe and get rid of the salt stain. So we're going to start. We have a bowl. I measured out 1/4 cup of water, so we're going to put that into the little bowl, and then we're going to measure the same amount of that we did for water of vinegar. To here. And we'll dump that in. Oh, that is a strong smell. And there we go. So that is all we do. And they said cold water, so that is what I did. And now I just have one of these cloths that I picked up from the dollar store. I use them all the time around the house. Eco-friendly, guys. Save the turtles. Dump this into, not dump, dip it into our mixture. I'm going to squeeze out any excess. And then we're going to start removing the salt stain. And they say that it is going to change the color, obviously, because you're making the shoe wet. But they said don't worry about any discoloration with it, as it is going to change. Like once it dries, it'll be back to normal. So we're going to find out if that's true. Yeah, one done. And just do the same thing to the other Ugg or other shoe. I think we are done with the first pair, so you can see they're a little wet, but that is okay. So we're just going to set these aside and move on to our next pair of shoes. So next are these little black booties that I have, and it's the same type of thing. They have some little bit of salt stains on the sides, and it looks like maybe some random glitter on there as well. So we're going to do the same process, just dip into the vinegar and see how it works on our black shoe. These were a lot easier. I guess there wasn't as much on it, but the material just seemed easier to clean than my fake Uggs, I'm going to call them. So it seemed to be a little easier, and you can't tell as much that they are wet, but we're going to set these ones aside as well. Next, I have these little brown booties, and as you can see, there are salt stains all over these bad boys, especially at the back here. That is just like, that needs some cleaning. That's bad. These are done, so we're going to set these ones aside as well. And now let's tackle this glitter. Like, what? So, okay, we're going to try the same thing. Dip it into the mixture and see if this helps to remove glitter. I feel like it's not going to. I am not sure how to remove this. Okay, we're going to pause and try to find a new method of trying to get glitter off these boots, because I might just have glitter boots now because I I don't know how to get rid of this, so we'll be back. I'm back, and now the new mixture that I tried is it's water combined with a few pumps of just a hand soap that was in my bathroom. So I put that together, just kind of swished around so you got some bubbles. And then from there, we are going to try to remove the glitter. It's not an easy task. Oh my goodness. Never put your suede shoes close to a glitter bag. Warning. Worst mistake. I am on now attempt number 3 to remove the glitter from these boots. You can see, like, look how sparkly they are. That is crazy. But in other words, if you want glitter boots, now you know how to do it. Rub your shoe gently across a very glittered bag from the dollar store, and you will have glitter boots. It is as simple as buying a $2 bag from the dollar store. However, I am still determined to remove this, so the vinegar and water combo did not work. The soap and water combo did not work. So next I am on to duct tape. I am going to use this duct tape, fold it in half into that little like sticky thing people do on their hands, and then dab that across the shoe and see if that removes the glitter from the boot. Don't tell my mom. Don't do that with your teeth, guys. It's really bad. I'm just gonna dab it onto the shoe and hope for the best. I think it's actually working. As you can see, if you look here, you can see glitter onto the tape. So it must be coming off the boot, but I think you gotta use a lot of the tape. So you just gotta keep dabbing it on. And then this tape seems to be all too glitterified already. So we're gonna take another piece of tape. Oh, you can rip it with your hands. So you don't even have to use your teeth. Don't do that. Okay, I'm gonna fold this one a little bit bigger and then repeat the same process and just dab it onto the boot. I am done, and overall you can see like there is still a little bit of a shimmer of glitter, but like that is significantly better than that shoe was before. So I definitely say the duct tape was a success for removing the glitter from my boot, but I do think it will be easier. It was a little hard because like right here is when I tried like the soap and water combo and stuff, and it was just still a little damp. I tried blow drying it, but I'm an impatient person and just kept going. But if your shoe is not wet, I realize in other areas it is a lot faster to remove just with tape or duct tape. So definitely give that a try if you have any glitter stuck to your boot. Or like I said, if you want to keep your boot glitter, that's still pretty cool too. That is, like I said, it's a cheap way, a cheap DIY to get glitter boots. Now we're going to check in on the other boots as they are dry as well. So back to, we'll start with the first ones. So start at my Uggs. So overall, I'd say, well, I guess you can see they're still a little damp, but overall, that is pretty good. There's not, I guess I missed a spot up there, but I can just go back and touch that up. But overall, these boots definitely look a lot better than they did at the beginning. Next, my little black booties. These are some of my favorite boots, and you can see they look so much better than they did before. My little brown booties, they are definitely a lot cleaner and ready to go as well. So much better. Look at them. They are so clean. So I'm probably going to wear these today because I want to go do some errands and stuff, and I am definitely a flat type of girl. I like wearing flats when doing errands. Walking around the mall and doing some like last minute stuff with these, I can't do it. Nope, no way. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have any tips or tricks for when you're cleaning boots or things like that, as I'm sure some other people watching this video might want to read those as well. So put those in the comments below and let us know. And as always, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as I'm back every week with more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. We got clean boots. Who knew duct tape was the handiest tool you can have in some craft drawers? Put that away for next time.